Hello everyone, welcome to Select Star. Today we are going to find out repeating or recurring customers in a month and their percentage. Let's first walk through the table orders. We have two columns, order date and user ID, and we have also been provided the result format where we have the primary month customers, secondary month, then repeating customers and then the percentage. If we look at the table, in month of Jan we have 10 customers, then in Feb and March again we have 10 customers. So if we look at the result, we have 10 as customers for all in primary month. Then coming to repeating customer means customers who came in primary month and then again in secondary month. So if we look carefully at the orders table, we'll find out that there are 4 customers who came in January and then again in February. So these 4 are the repeating customers for February and the percentage will be 4 by 10. Similarly, for months February and March, there are 3 customers who came in February and then they again came back in March. Hence, repeating customer will be 3 and percentage will be 3 by 10. And then since March is the last month, there are no repeating customers, hence we don't have the percentage. I hope the question is clear, and like always, I would suggest you folks to try the question first yourself and then come back for checking my solution. One way to solve this problem will be to fetch month and user IDs and then do a self join of the table on the condition of months. This solution might work in our case where we have first 3 months data of 2018, but in cases where we will have different years, the solution will fail. So we need to come up with some other arrangement. What we can do is to find the first day of the month in which the order was placed. In PostgreSQL, we can use date trunc to find first day of month from order date. It will return the date in timestamp format, so we will just convert it to date. So we have got the order month and user IDs. Now what we have to do is that we will create a CT out of it and then we'll do a self join. We'll do a left join because if we do an inner join, we will lose the last month for which there will be no secondary month. Now we will perform the join on the condition that C1 dot order month plus interval 1 month equals to C2 dot order month. Let's just fetch all the columns and order it to see the full result of this joining condition. Just take a moment to calculate the number of rows that will be there in the result. So we have got 210 results. Now some of you must be wondering why we have joined on the condition of months only when we could have added another condition of user ID as well. This has been done because of null values. As of now we do not have any null values for secondary month, but if we introduce another condition of user ID, we will get null values in third and fourth columns and that will affect our calculations. Let me show you how. Now I have added the condition of user ID as well. Let's run it and see the difference. We have got 30 rows and we can already see nulls in third and fourth columns. The issue is if we do a group by first and third column, we will get two groups for every primary month. One will be where secondary month is present and another will be where secondary month is null. And then if we do a count, we will reach a wrong number. Hence it's important not to use the user ID as joining condition. Let's go back to the original query now. Now we'll do a group by with first and third column and then write appropriate conditions for counting user IDs. We will use a distinct clause for counting the number of customers in primary month. Now for counting repeating customers, we just need to add the condition that c1.userid should be equal to c2.userid. We don't need a distinct inside this clause because we don't have any duplicate values in CT1. In case we had some duplicates in CT1, then we would be required to put a distinct clause in this statement as well. Now to get the percentage of repeating customers, we will just put 100.0 into repeating customer condition divided by customers condition. We have got the required result. Now the only thing left is the formatting of this result. We will achieve that with the function toChar. Let's round off the percentage as well. We have got the required result, and this will be all for today. If you have any question or feedback, do post it in the comment section. Thank you for joining me today. Signing off now.